The Little Match Girl. It was the coldest winter in 100 years. It was so cold. It was the coldest winter in 100 years. It was so cold, the birds froze while they flew and fell from the sky. It was so cold that the snow on the ground froze. It was so cold, even the air shivered. In the city, a little match girl sold matches, but no one bought any. It was too cold. As night fell, it looked like she would freeze on the sidewalks. She lit a match to stay warm, and in the light of the yellow glow, she saw a Christmas tree. Her mother and father, her grandmother and grandfather were still alive, and they were happy. With tears freezing in her eyes, she watched as the match burnt out. She lit another match, and in the yellow glow, she saw a sunny summer day. Her big brother pushed her on a swing as her dog barked and tried to chase her as she went up and down. Then the match burnt out. The wind began to roar and the cold became colder. Barely able to feel her fingers, the little girl lit another match, and in the yellow glow, she saw herself tucked in a warm bed, her mother giving her a kiss on the cheek. The match burned down, and the little girl was left in the dark and cold. There was one last match left in the box, and then nothing. The match burned. She lit the match and looked deep into the flame. Her whole family was there, calling to her, arms open. But as the match died, it turned out to be another family she saw, but one full of love. And they took the little match girl home with them, and they made their house her house. So the little match girl had a family again and a home.